Hi, in this video we will review additional options for the filter sections. For the filter section, product categories, text, color and size. They're the same. So in this video as example we will review only product categories. Let's click on this button and review one by one options. First one is show table label. Table label is the title of the filter section. By this option you can hide or show it. Let's try to hide it. Save changes. Refresh the page. And as you can see, it's disappeared. So if you want to, for any case, to hide it, you can do it. Let's go back and set yes. Show toggle button. Show toggle button near the title or the front above the block HTML items. Here's two options. You can show it as closed, as open it. So let's select as closed. Apply, save changes. Refresh the page. And as you can see, there is a period button, plus or minus, which is convenient for your customers if you have a lot of checkboxes in the filter section. By the way, you can change this text to any you want. For example, to close or open, or set image here. All that you can do in the tab Design. Tooltip. If you need to show for your customers any information about this filter section, you can type it here. Apply, save changes. Refresh the page. And as you can see, it's a period icon which has any information for your customers if you need it. Not toggle terms count. Not toggle term count means you can set any number here, for example 3, and will be shown only 3 checkboxes. Another ones will be hidden and special button will appear. Let's look at it. Apply, save changes, refresh the page. And as you can see, there is button here appeared, on click on which you can see another checkboxes. It's very convenient if you have a lot of checkboxes and you want to show only some of them to hide another. For example, if you have 40 or 50 checkboxes, it will be convenient for your customers. But of course, it's better to leave this filter section as open it. So let's go here and select here as open it. Taxonomy custom label. Taxonomy custom label means if you want to rename this by default WooCommerce taxonomy name as product categories to any another, you can type it here. For example, my categories or something another. It's just an example. Apply, save changes, refresh the page, and as you can see, there is another title label. Max head of the block. If you have a lot of checkboxes and you want to keep layout of your sidebar by your business logic, you can set here in the pixels maximal height of the block. Let it be 200 pixels. And let's set 0 here. Apply, save changes. Let's go to the front, refresh. And for example, let's open. As you can see, appear a scroll bar and filter section height is the same. Display items in row. If your terms has short names, it will be useful for your customers to avoid very high blocks. So for example, let's say set yes here, apply, save changes, refresh the page. And as you can see, there is some terms will be on the same row. But it works good only if you have short names. If you have long names, it doesn't matter. Sort terms. It means how to sort terms. For example, we can select title and select in another order. Sort items order. Apply, save changes, refresh the page, and as you can see, terms is ordered in another alphabetical order. Next, default as logic of the filtering. By default, it's OR. What does it mean? It means if you select, for example, sport and sleep dress, so both these categories will be found. But what about if you want to find any categories which has and sport and sleep dress? So both terms should be in the same product. We should select here logic filtering and apply, save changes, refresh the page. Let's select, for example, jacket. A jacket should be jeans. As you can see, as we have enabled dynamic recount, HUSKY suggested us only terms which is relevant to the current logic of the filtering. Another one interesting mode is not in. Apply, save changes, refresh the page. For example, how it works. Not in. Not in works and anti-filtering. So, for example, you do not want to see any kind of clothing. For example, you don't want to see men clothing and see only women clothing. Let's click on it. And as you can see, there is 24 results with women clothing only. And so let's exclude a t-shirt dress. So we're just excluding another type of the wearing. And in the same way, we can exclude another products. So logic filtering not in means that what user should exclude from his search results. That's all for this video. In another video, we'll review extensions and what you can find additionally in the HUSKY filter. For example, searching by author, in-stock checkbox, featured products, and their options. See you. Bye.